my God.
How does it work?
Do you want to take care
How
of
does
it?
it work?
2 hairs from one hair from him and 1 hair from him. No, just a short. No, just a hair. You just cut a piece. I don't have that much hair. That's why. Well, it has to be a small piece. A small piece. Well, get one. Small one. Okay, get one. Well, I'm gonna move your hands. Okay. Go ahead. Let's do it. No pain, no gain. We got 4 kids. Okay, here. Pain is nothing. You see how you can't see that shit? You see it? Yes. So that's all right. Drop it in here. You see how you can really see it? Drop it in the water. Get that sticky close. Watch. Okay, so okay. Look at this thing. The water. See it here. Oh, you want to play that blue, please?
You gotta pull out one of his hairs too.
There you go. Wait.
Yeah. Just the
Lauren, no. The white one's great. It doesn't matter what color.
Just the white one.
Get out of here, Lauren.
Oh, look
It's
at
adult
this.
time right now.
I don't want to pull your hair. I was
Where's it out?
She did that. Get one.
It's the white, not from the front.
But I don't know where to get it from. From the cola. It's over.
Wait. Put water in the plate.
Yeah.
Put water for him?
This is gonna see if they're gonna. Can you see the hair, George? You see it? I can't see. Get one. Hi, George. Not a white one. Oh, wait a minute. I don't know what color it is. I can't get it either. I can't see that.
Don't grab a handful.
It's not by one.
Get some tweezers and rip it out.
Well, I don't want to pull hard. That's why.
Yeah, right.
We're not hard. One.
Oh, you got one?
I'm gonna get it.
How did we fall?
You really can't get one?
No, I got it.
Whatever.
Is it? Oh no.